Welcome to the daily message for this 21st Sunday in Ordinary Time. Today I'd like to read reflectively the second reading and then just make a brief comment about it. So this reading comes from the 11th chapter of Paul's letter to the Romans. And Paul writes, "Oh, the depth of the riches and wisdom and knowledge of God! How inscrutable are his judgments and how unsearchable his ways. For who has known the mind of the Lord? Or who has been his counselor? Or who has given the Lord anything that he may be repaid? For from him and through him and for him are all things. To him be glory forever. Amen." This reading obviously speaks about the mystery of God's will. And it's something that I think we think about quite a bit. We are people who like to know what's coming. We want to know what the future holds for us. We want to know how things are going to turn out. And especially we want good outcomes. We want things to go our way for obvious reasons. But as we know, life is full of surprises. Some of those surprises are good. Some of them are not good. Some of them don't turn out the way we want them to turn out at all. This speaks to the mystery of God's will. And just as importantly, it speaks to the necessity of faith. Faith is believing without knowing. Faith is believing without being able to know. And so we live our lives as best we can. We hope that good things will come our way. We hope for God's blessings. But we remain open in faith to the inscrutable judgments and the unsearchable ways of our God. That's what faith is. Faith is not knowing. Faith is believing. Faith is putting our trust in a God whose will we cannot know. I hope you have found this to be helpful. I thank you once again for listening and for watching. I hope you have a restful and wonderful Sunday.